Bro said, before you come up in my sanctuary, you gonna have to think twice. I got cameras here, there, everywhere. Boy, that man got cameras for headlights. That's crazy. Every angle you can think of, there's a camera. Cameras all in the grill, cameras all through the man mirrors. Boy, what kind of business you really operating? Ain't that many cameras in the world. Boy, you giving me pulling for the cartel vibes. I wonder how many cameras that man got in his truck. Boy, on the mud flap too. Now, boy, you taking this too far. Boy, they said that man even got some on top of his truck. Boy, I don't know what kind of business this man running, but he ain't getting caught no time soon. Boy, go head on.